How to fix Google AI Studio login error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix login error in Google AI Studio. So this often stems from a browser cache, account permissions, or regional restrictions. So you could use an incognito mode. So open up browser and go to the browser section and you click onto the three dot icon here, and then you could go ahead and locate incognito. Go to settings, and here you should be able to locate the incognito section. You click on it and then you have these incognito and type in aistudio.google.com. So this might be able to help you out. Next, you could also try cleaning your cache and cookies off the browser. So tap on the three dot, go to settings and scroll down, and there you have cache and cookies. You need to go ahead and click on the cache and cookies section and clear it as well. Once you've done that, next you could also disable any sort of extension that you're using. Try disabling that out. That might also be able to fix. So if the other issue still persists on, or if the issue still persists on, you could try verifying your age as well by submitting your identification on myaccount.google.com as well. Or maybe you need to confirm that the user is in a supported country, and log out of all the Google account, then log in back using only the primary account intended for AI Studio. That might be able to help you out. So this way you should be able to fix Google AI Studio login error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.